Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today we're gonna be straight piping my M6. I am so excited. I've had the car for about 1 week only and it is just too quiet for me. So today we're gonna head over to the muffler shop. I'm gonna have them remove all the resonators and remove the muffler, and hopefully we get some nice tone out of it. I've seen a few videos online, but you guys know videos just don't do justice as it would if it was in person. So I need to hear it for myself. So today we're gonna head over to the muffler shop and we're gonna meet up with my buddy Abraham and his brother Alex. My buddy has an F30 and his brother's an M2. I'm pretty sure you guys seen them on the channel before. So yeah, guys, let's see how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds good. And I just want to say, I do plan to put an actual exhaust on the car eventually, but for now I just want to go full straight pipe. So I do have stock downpipes. I really want to note that, because if I had catless downpipes, I probably would just be getting rid of the resonators and leaving the stock muffler only. But hopefully we remove the stock downpipes very soon, because I know I'm gonna get a lot of sound once I remove those, and possibly a power increase as well. So quiet. It's time to make this car a lot louder, hopefully. So we got to start off our day with some healthy food. We got some yogurt, strawberries, and granola. Is that pineapple? That's pineapple, and then I actually got one down there too. So yeah, guys, gotta stay healthy. 2020, let's get it. Alright guys, so we just got here. I'm in the bathroom at the muffler shop because it's so loud out there. They're cutting so many pipes. Right now we're going to put the M6 on the lift and we're going to see how it looks underneath. I've seen a few pictures online. I kind of know how I want to go about doing the straight pipe, but I'm going to see what the guy recommends. So yeah guys, let's go outside. Dex! Dex! Oh I know! I want to see your face! I want to see your face! So cute.
I mean, if you want anything else for him later.
Damn. Black series, that's fucking sick. This thing looks dope. There's so much carbon. Let's check out these parts right here. All carbon fiber side skirts. I was tripping out because the canards in the front are actually drilled in. That's full commitment right there, man. Carbon on the hood. The inside is sick too. We just finished doing the middle section. Look at these perfect clean welds. Easy, simple resonator delete. So obviously if you want to shoot with full straight pipe, you need to delete all the resonators. So now we're working on the muffler section, but it looks so clean and good already. It's gonna sound so sick. Finally get some tone out. And then that goes up to the downpipe. Eventually want to replace those out too. And then the other downpipe right there as well.
Oh yeah, see,
Damn, these are sick.
I told you, the overlap.
Yeah, I like those a lot.
Oh yeah? Yeah, it's fucking hard.
Yeah, those are nice. Alright, sold. Hit those ones.
This one?
Yeah, those are nice.
How do you want it though? With the overlap like that or the other side?
Well, that's how it goes, because it follows the contour of the bumper. So the bumper goes in, so it goes in. Yeah. Those are nice though.
I told you, bro, it's going black.
The overlap actually does look pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be loud, babe. It's gonna be really loud. That sounds so good. Damn. Ah, we got the muffler graveyard right here. Damn. I should have put this one on right here. Oh shit.
Get that pipe. Big ass one. Oh, it looks fucking.
How do you think it's gonna sound?
Fucking demon.
How do you think it's gonna sound?
I think it's gonna sound like a Challenger.
Hey, it might sound like a Challenger. I think it's gonna sound dope. The tips look so good. More like a, damn. Dude, they're fat. Dude, it looks so aggressive now in the back. Yeah. With the diffuser, huh? It's changed it completely.
It's gonna kind of sound like an AMG for sure.
Yeah.
Nah.
Like a
I'm trying to treat it like it's a little car even though it's a big car.
3 hours later.
So we just got to Abraham's house. It's already night.
I think this shit is gonna fit like
I don't know, bro. That's what I'm saying.
that's what I'm asking, because yours had more like more point.
No, I think the only difference it is.
Oh, right there in the middle. You was right here.
Oh yeah, it's more grooved in, huh? No, I don't know.
Was yours like more like tucked in?
Possibly, yeah. That's why we gotta try it.
I'm gonna try it tomorrow. Let's take it off. But I want to see if it fits right here. Like, this is the only thing that needs to be tucked in.
Just take it off real quick.
Can't.
Oh, you take the bumper off?
Oh. I need to turn the car around all over there.
Oh yeah.
Down and
Okay. So we're having a dilemma because they both did a new tune by Big Boost, right? Was it Big Boost tune?
Hey, man.
Right? Is that what it is? Big Boost? He has flames and he doesn't, so they're trying to see what's going on. Ah.
My shotgun type.
Oh my
Export
god.
M competition. Oh, so it doesn't.
Look at mine.
No, look at yours. That's not the one that you're trying to put.
Shotgun flame. I specifically told him shotgun on both, watch.
It's really dark outside, guys. I only got the revs from the muffler shop, but I'm gonna do a video tomorrow in the morning where I'm gonna be doing some drive-bys, standstill revs and stuff. It looks so much better with the bigger tips. Oh my god, this is just the beginning of this build, guys. It's gonna be so sick. We're still having a dilemma why his exhaust is not shooting flames.
I'm closing it.
Let me see.
That's closed.
What if that's off and what if that's
on.
how do you?
That's on.
I don't know, man.
The next day.